Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Kirkland organic fortified almond milk. Check this out. This was on, well, this is Costco. So there's the nutrient panel if you want to read it, pause the video, and there's the ingredients. So I don't know if it's zooming in correctly, but it's organic almond based water, fortified with vitamins, and that's about it. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I tasted it. It has a mild, very mild almond aroma. Compared to like silk and things like that, the almond aroma isn't as strong. There's no sweetness whatsoever. It's really bland. Tastes like water. Literally tastes like water and like mild aroma of like almonds. Very mild. So it's all right. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.